back to my new vlog. Welcome back to Super Mom Disha. So, yes, as usual, my morning routine, I have come to the kitchen to make some breakfast. So, as everybody were suggesting for some healthy breakfast, so I'm gonna make something healthy out of oats. So, let's make oats upma today. Let's go. So in UV school, they are celebrating Independence Day, and yeah, he was supposed to wear a kurta where he's outgrown all his kurtas. He has no kurtas left of his size. Okay, I see him daydreaming. We need to wake him up. Oi, Yui, what are you looking at? Dreaming. Sit straight. Sit straight. Lean back. So let's start with the upma. Oats upma. Yes. So let's dry roast this upma. Let's roast it properly. Roast, roast, roast. Roast, roast, roast. So once it is all roasted, let's take it out in a different plate. Some ghee to the pan. Allow it to heat up. Jeera. Curry leaves. make it too dry. If it's too dry, खाने में मज़ा नहीं आएगा. Leave it a little wet, and it tastes absolutely good. Yes, done. Sit.
I don't want to pet. I was just joking.
Eat and tell me how do you like it.
Okay.
It's not hot.
Okay. Mmm.
Tastes like what?
Spicy and tasty.
Does it taste like fried rice?
Little bit of.
Do you like it? How much? What is that? 10? 10?
100%.
Come on, finish it fast.
I don't have 3 hands, that's why I did only 2 hands.
Very nice. Come on, now finish it off fast. A gentle reminder to all the women out there, however busy your schedule is, don't forget to spend some time on yourself and have some healthy snack in between your work. Might help you. So today for the first time I made mutton soup, paya soup. I am not sure about the consistency and all that. I don't eat mutton at all, so this is the first time mutton is being cooked at home. And yeah, Yuvi says it tastes good. Let's see, let's go meet Yuvi and ask him how it is.
I've finished little bit of. I have to finish little bit more.
How is it?
Nice.
You like it?
Yes. How much I finished? Watch this.
Okay, come on, finish it fast.
Okay. You can do vlog. Toodles.
Hi guys, so it's almost the end of this day and time to end this vlog. Yeah, I'm kind of very busy these days because as I'm going to join a new place, I have got a lot of things to be done, and I have shopped few things which I would like to show you all in the next vlog for my new office. Not my office, for me, which I'm going to carry to my office. And also I have been showing you all healthy snacks, like what you have, what you can eat for breakfast, what you can eat for mid morning and all that. It's not only about eating healthy. I also feel that more than eating healthy, okay, eating healthy is important, but unlike for people like me who makes me eat like eat everything, eating is everything to me. So eating makes me happy. I don't only eat healthy, I eat all the junk. I eat good food, I eat junk, I eat everything, but end of the day eating makes me very happy. Okay, this point is not about that. So I believe that other than eating healthy, we also need to take good care of our mind. I feel we need to be happy. So only when we are happy, the food, healthy food that we eat, it absorbs, I feel, completely. Because sometimes what happens is that however healthy you eat, end of the day, if you're stressed out about something and something is bothering you a lot, or unnecessary stress that we take usually, uh, that doesn't help, we need to keep ourselves happy. We shouldn't rely on anybody to be happy. I always tell this to everybody, all the ladies out there. Like, yeah, sometimes we cannot be happy all the time. It's very difficult to be happy all the time. There is something or the other that is bothering you always. But I believe, how much ever stressed or disturbed you are, you need to take a part of your day, a small part of your day, probably an hour or so, at least an hour, wherein you can spend time on yourself, invest it on yourself. Um, may it be watching a movie, may it be pampering yourself, whatever it is. Just take some time for yourself, and it makes you happy probably. I also do the same. I a whole day I have something or the other to do, with the class in the morning with UV, and then breakfast, and then my class, and then lunch, and the everything. It's all, back to back, and we hardly get time for ourselves. But for me, I always make sure, whatever it is, at night I put UV to sleep early. By 9:30 he's asleep, and after that it's my time. So I I need to give that pampering to myself. Like, I need to give attention to myself, however difficult it is. I know it's very difficult for me. I have UV, who is actually not that dependent on me. He does most of his work, touch wood. That's a good thing about him, and that's why probably I'm able to do that. But believe me, if you actually dedicate some time for yourself, it'll really help. It's like you're working on your mental health. It really helps a lot, because no one like no one, even family members that are busy at times, and it's not possible for everybody to give you time every day. So sometimes it's us, we need to do it for us. So my suggestion to all the people out there, if you are not investing some time or dedicating some time on yourself, don't do that. Give some time for yourself. Take some time out of your day. Do whatever you like, okay? So that, the whole day goes well, and you also, wait for that time that relaxes you, soothes you down, and it gets you to a better mood. And every day you wait for that moment of the day. And yeah, I feel that. I don't know. I am not a professional to help you all out with this, but I told you all what I literally do. So I try to keep myself. So end of the day, if we are happy, especially the ladies of the house, if we are happy, I believe we can keep everybody in the house happy. So that's it. So if you all like the recipes I show, or if you all have any comments about the video, if you want to share anything, if I have to do any kind of improvement or whatever it is, please don't hesitate to write it on the comment box. I am eager to see your comments. Okay. And yeah, that's it. So please don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell icon. Please click on that if you're watching my videos and if you like it. So yeah, so students, show some love.